Lego Optimus Prime is a flawless retro toy mashup that actually transforms. Two of the greatest toy lines of all time combine forces to create a set that 80s kids are powerless to resist. Oh, well, I'm an 80s kid, so I'm powerless now? I gotta get it? I definitely was a big Transformers guy. Well, I don't know about big, but like, you know, when you're a kid, you're into something for a bit. I was into Transformers for a bit.
Were you into Lego?
I was into Lego for a bit.
For a bit?
Yeah, I mean, were you more than a bit?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
like...
I love Lego.
Like
I still do.
A 5-year period, a 10-year period? What was your peak Lego? What age?
He's still going.
No, I know he's still going. I'm asking for his Lego peak.
Oh, okay.
I guess from 5 to maybe 12.
That's a big peak.
5's early.
Yeah.
I was gonna say
That's a big
7
peak.
would be more like.
Yeah.
You must have been like a phenom, a Lego.
I love
Genius.
building that kind of stuff.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, this thing costs $170.
Well, I mean, I think that's reasonable.
Oh, yeah?
How cool that thing looks. I'd go get it for my kids to put together. I'm not a big.
Well,
Lego
you
guy,
got to
but
put it together, and then it's going to do the transforming.
Yeah, it's like a bonus.
I wonder how many pieces it is. Oh, there you go. 1,508 pieces. That's a pretty big set, man.
Take a while.
You're going to need some commitment level from those youngsters
Yeah.
to not leave this one halfway done. Because we've all seen one of the halfway done setups.
Yeah, it's very sad.
It's no good.
Not this one.
We can't be walking past that.
No.
We're going to
This
be
is cool.
very upset about it. But anyway, yeah, it looks like a lot of specialized pieces as well, sort of one-off Lego pieces here in order to create the Optimus Prime profile. I'm surprised Lego never got into the Transformers up until now. Or maybe they did, but just
It
maybe.
was too complex.
I don't know, because they love the Star Wars.
Oh, yeah.
Lego and Star Wars are like two peas in a pod. They just love each other. But these collabs always pay off. People love this stuff.
Yeah, that's cool.
They're fun.
Yeah.